Hey guys, check out this question here. 74 hundredths plus 2 tenths. Now I want you to think about place value. And I want you to write down in Edpuzzle, where I have the question, what is 74 hundredths as a fraction? 74 hundredths. And what is 2 tenths as a fraction? And what is 74 hundredths as a unit form and 2 tenths as a unit form? So write this question in fraction and in unit form. All right, thanks a lot. And here we have some things that you might have written down. Okay, 74 hundredths, 2 tenths, 7 tenths, 4 hundredths, 2 tenths, 74 hundredths, 2 tenths, 74 hundredths, 20 hundredths, 74 hundredths, 20 hundredths. Okay, so here we notice that we have tenths and we have hundredths, and in some of these we have both as hundredths, and some places we have 2 times as tenths, right? These are all the same numbers, right? They're just written in different ways, and this is what we've been studying in Module 4. So why would it be helpful to have them as hundredths or as tenths? Why do we need like denominators when we add fractions, right? Something we've been working on. So it does help, yeah? If I have 74 hundredths and 20 hundredths, if I'm thinking of this as 20 hundredths, right? And we're getting a little more comfortable with knowing that my 2 tenths is the same as 20 hundredths, right? Then 74 and 20, I could think of that as 94 hundredths. And if I can write it as 94 over 100, right? 94 hundredths, then I know I can also write it as a decimal 94 hundredths, right? So we're going to think about that. So we have 4 ways that we're thinking about decimals. Now remember, next lesson, we're going to be using place value to add decimals. But right now, we're trying to grow our brains and think about decimals in different ways, about adding decimals. So we're thinking about the arrow method, jumping on the number line. We're thinking about the number bond method, where we're taking from one and sharing with another and then adding together. And now we're thinking about the unit forms and fractions. Okay, so we're going to dive just a little bit into that, but I want you to think about how you can add numbers in different ways like that. Okay, let's clean up this screen and let's look at one more or 2 more questions. Let's look at, oops, sorry about that. 1 and 9 tenths plus 43 hundredths. Okay, so 1 and 9 tenths plus 43 hundredths. Do that on your note paper, one of your 4 ways, right? One of your 4 ways. You have to do it either arrow or number bond or fractions or unit form. Okay, so think about those ways and put it in the answers. And then you're going to go on to your problem set and you're going to show the same kind of thinking there. All right, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Remember, if you need help, ask for help. Help is not the same as copying someone's answers. All right, this is how we learn.